What in the mojo jojo is this? Flagship level features on a budget? Today I'm like very excited, guys. There's been a lot of hype around this brand new phone and people were like eagerly waiting for the unboxing videos. Lava has just launched their all new Blaze Curve 5G smartphone, and as I've told you, it packs like flagship level features under 20k price segment. It comes with like a curved 3D back body. You're also getting like a 120 Hz curved AMOLED display at this price point. Not to miss out, triple camera setup with a Sony sensor and also powerful octa-core chipset as well. All of this at a starting price of only around 17,999. I'm like very excited, guys. So today in this video I'll be unboxing it and we'll be completely checking out this phone including all of its features. Let's quickly get started. There you go, boys. Our brand new Lava Blaze Curve smartphone came in this sort of box packaging. It's a 5G phone and has very interesting specs and features which we'll be talking about in this video. And first of all, guys, it's a made in India phone. So whenever I review these sort of products, right, completely made in India, it makes me really happy, guys. You know that Indian companies are producing products like this. Hats off. At the back side, you can check out all of its specs and configuration. Blaze Curve 5G features a curved AMOLED display, guys. That too, it's super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. It's powered by Dimensity 7050 octa-core chipset with 8 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM and also super fast UFS 3.1 storage. These were some of its main highlights. Other specs and stuff we'll anyhow talk about as and how we proceed in the video. Let me quickly unbox it and show you how the phone looks like. This phone is available in two different colors. You get iron glass and viridian glass. So as soon as you open it, at the top we have an accessory box. As usual, guys, Lava also bundles some free accessories which includes a silicone clear case for the phone. Keeping the clear case aside, good quality silicone case, this is our brand new phone, guys, much awaited Lava Blaze Curve in the hand. Let me just remove this top cover and show you. My god, it actually looks pretty nice, right? I mean, look at the whole design language over here. We'll come back to the phone and talk about the design in a moment. There's some paperwork and document, just make sure to read that. It says about their free service which they come at your home and do also. You get a Type-C 33 watt fast charger included, plus a Type-C to Type-C cable is also there. And lastly, you're also getting a Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack adapter also included, guys. And lastly, a SIM ejection tool. So that's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the product and first of all talk about the design and build quality. Blaze Curve 5G, as I've told you, has a complete 3D glass back and looks very premium for the price point, guys. I'm not exaggerating. You people can check out the phone in the video. No one would believe that this is actually like an affordable mid-range phone. I mean, look at the curved AMOLED display on the front side. If you ask about the weight, right, I believe it's around like 189 grams and thickness is around like 8.8 mm. Anyways, going to the side profile, this one is your volume rocker followed by power button. Quality of the buttons is also nice, feels tactile and clicky. If you go to the top side here, you can check out your secondary microphone. Oh, look at this, you're also getting an IR blaster included, and this one looks like your top firing speaker. The phone actually comes with like stereo speaker setup powered by Dolby Atmos. There is nothing on the left profile, and on the bottom side, this one is your Type-C port, primary mic is there, second set of speaker, and this one is your SIM card tray. So it supports like dual 5G nano SIMs, no micro SD card support, so you cannot expand the storage. And coming to the front side, I've told you, right, it features a large 6.67 inches curved AMOLED 120 Hz display, and at the top you're getting a selfie 32 megapixel camera. So that's it, our complete overview. Let me also quickly show you the back profile as well. Back of the phone also looks very beautiful, guys. You're getting a 3D curved premium glass back finish. In fact, the body is actually made of like Corning Gorilla Glass material. That is what Lava is saying, and also has like a nice matte finish in a gradient space gray sort of color. I've told you now, they're calling it as iron glass back. And going to the top side here, you can check out your triple camera setup. It features a primary 64 megapixel camera, that to a Sony sensor. You're getting 8 megapixel wide angle as well and a 2 megapixel macro, followed by a tiny LED flash is also there. Camera bump is also not that much, quite acceptable, I would say. If you put on a case, right, it'll look pretty normal, guys. And lastly, the whole phone is powered by a 5000 milliampere battery, and as I've told you, supports like 33 watts fast Type-C charging. So that's it, our complete overview on the phone. What I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. So boys, I'm back to continue the video. Our phone is all set up, and as I've told you, I've been using this smartphone for the last couple of days. I've installed quite a plenty of apps and also a couple of games as well. And today in this video, I'll be sharing a lot of information, useful information. So make sure to watch it till the end. First of all, guys, let me tell you about the design language and comfort. Blaze Curve 5G fits very well in my hand and feels quite comfortable, guys. All because of the curved body design. You're getting double side curve at the top and the bottom as well. On the front, I've told you, right, you're getting a massive 6.6 6.67 inches, 120 Hz super smooth, full HD plus AMOLED 3D curved display. At the back also you're getting a curved body, and because of that it actually feels very comfortable when you're holding in the hand. Apart from that, first of all, let me give you like a closer look at the UI operating system and talk about that. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the fingerprint scanner performance, right? Let me quickly put that to a test and show you. So the phone comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner. Okay, there you go. Fingerprint reader was actually performing very well and quite snappy, I would say. It was unlocking the phone quickly and accurately most of the time. And my god, as I've told you guys, beautiful looking display, AMOLED display. And first thing you'll notice is how slim the bezels on this phone are, on the left and right and top and bottom profile as well. Nobody would actually believe that this is like an affordable mid-range category phone and costs under 20,000 rupees. First of all, talking about the operating system and UI, as I've told you, Blaze Curve 5G comes with a very clean operating system, no bloatware, no unnecessary apps. It runs on stock Android version 13. But yes, the company did specify that this particular phone will be getting Android version 14 upgrade very soon. It's already in the works. Quickly head over to the settings. Let me show you all the options you're getting over here. The phone does support dual band Wi-Fi, 2.4G and 5 GHz network support is there, and the phone supports like dual 5G nano SIMs, no micro SD card support. Keep that in mind. Apart from that, despite having like a stock Android experience, you do have some special functions integrated which you can easily access from this section. Let me also show you display related options. Plenty of display options are there, and since you're getting an AMOLED display, right, obviously always on display support is also there, which is also fully customizable. Plus you're also getting edge lighting, guys. Basically, if you want to utilize that curve area for notification alerts, you can do that. Apart from that, my tone adjustments are also there, basically like display adjustments. If you want to change the skin tones or maybe adjust the color modes, right, you can do that. And these are your screen refresh rate settings. So if you want to save a bit of battery in tight situations, you can switch down from 120 Hz to 60 Hz and get your job done. Now talking about the storage, Blaze Curve 5G is available in two models. You get 128GB, 256GB. We have the base variant, and out of the box I believe you're getting 105, 106GB of free space. I have already installed a couple of games and apps, and that is the reason we are left with around like 103GB of free space, which is like plenty for my usage. And lastly, going out to the software related stuff, I've told you, right, Blaze Curve 5G comes with Android version 13, clean operating system, no bloatware, no ads over here, and the company did specify it will be getting Android 14 very soon via OTA update. So that is basically it, our complete overview on the operating system, UI, built-in apps and features. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, play some videos over here, just have a look at these demos, then we'll talk about the display and speaker quality on the Blaze Curve 5G. You people saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And let me tell you guys, I am actually very impressed with the display quality over here. Though to be honest, initially I was a bit skeptical when I heard that Lava is actually offering curved AMOLED display at such an affordable price segment. I thought they might have compromised a bit with the panel quality, because I've seen plenty of phones with AMOLED displays around this price point, right? They're not as good as expensive AMOLED phones. So I thought it might be similar case over here, but nah, I was actually wrong. When I booted up the phone and played some videos on YouTube, right, I was actually blown away and quite impressed with the display quality. Again, as I've told you, it features a large 6.67 inches, 120 Hz super smooth, full HD plus 1080p resolution, curved AMOLED display, and display quality is really good. Excellent amount of detail no matter what sort of content you're watching. I have watched a couple of movies, web series and also 4K videos on YouTube, and there was like good amount of detail. Text is like very clear, easily readable, and coming to colors are also very nice, guys. Quite accurate, I would say, on point, rich and vibrant, all thanks to its AMOLED panel. Now talking about the contrast levels, again it's an AMOLED display, guys, no compromise. I would say you're getting excellent contrast ratio and also deep black levels as well. Viewing angles also very good. Picture looks the same no matter from where you're viewing. And also talking about the brightness of the panel also pretty good. I believe it's around like 550-600 nits, and I had no sort of issues checking out the display even in like bright outdoor situations. Although one thing I do have to mention is guys, in the video you might be seeing some sort of banding and some sort of moire sort of effect on the display, right? This is because of a camera phenomenon. In reality, there is nothing like that on the phone's display. It actually looks flawless, so make sure to keep that point in mind. Apart from that, now coming to the audio quality part, as I've told you, Lava Blaze Curve 5G actually features stereo speakers, that too powered by Dolby Atmos, and audio quality was also like really good, guys. I'm telling you, right, it is like a total entertainment package at this price point. Good quality sound, vocal clarity is also nice, and on top of that, it is Dolby Atmos certified, right? So you'll definitely enjoy playing games or watching any sort of content on YouTube or even OTT related apps. Moving on, time to talk about the performance. Blaze Curve 5G is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 7050 chipset. It is basically like a 6nm based 5G octa-core CPU, that too with a max clock of around 2.6 GHz, and pretty decent CPU for this price point, guys, though not the best CPU I would say. And if you're especially looking for gaming related phones around this price point, there are better phones in the market, but again you'll have to look at the whole picture, guys. I mean, come on, which phone in the market actually has like a beautiful 3D curved back plus 3D curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate at this price point? So they had to compromise somewhere with the processor. Again, this is not that bad also. 7050 can definitely do good gaming. You can easily play games like BGMI with a smooth FPS. I'll show you in a moment. Be calm. First of all, let me tell you my day-to-day experience. I've been using this phone for the last couple of days and had like a really good and smooth performance, guys. In day-to-day sort of life now, you won't need more powerful CPU at this price point. I'm telling you, right? Everything feels so smooth. Navigation, opening and closing of apps, transitions, you can see it in the video. Added to that, you're also getting like 120Hz refresh rate display with a 240Hz touch sampling rate. So everything feels like Muska on this phone's display. And now talking about the gaming performance, again though this is not like a detailed review or gaming performance test video, but still anyways I'm gonna play BGMI and show you. You can play BGMI up to HD or even HDR graphics as well, but frame rate will be limited to ultra only. If you want like extreme 60 FPS gameplay results, you'll have to lower down the graphics to smooth, then only you'll be able to access that FPS. And let me tell you, overall gaming performance was pretty nice. I played the game for more than 1-2 hours also in a day-to-day session and had like a smooth experience. I didn't face any sorts of lags. Mostly I was playing these games in smooth settings at extreme FPS and had like a Muska sort of performance. You can see in the video, I'm not exaggerating, there's nothing to exaggerate over here. Even despite playing like back-to-back 3 matches also, I didn't face any sort of thermal throttling issue. Overall thermals are also like pretty much in control, though I do have to mention slightly it was getting hot near the camera section at the backside, but nothing major. If you're using like a case, right, you won't even feel that. Anyways, if you people are like really interested in a dedicated gaming performance video, let me know in the comment section and I'll make a separate video, and in that video what sort of games should I test out, that also you can let me know. So that is pretty much it about the performance part. Let me also quickly open up the camera app and show you how it looks like. Blaze Curve 5G features a triple camera setup. You're getting a primary 64 megapixel camera, that too with a Sony sensor. Secondary one is an 8 megapixel wide angle lens, and the third one is a 2 megapixel macro. I really wish it had a telephoto, but usually telephoto cameras are only seen on like premium phones, guys, so you cannot complain a lot. On the front side you're getting a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Now apart from that, camera interface is very clean. You can shoot all your pictures up to 64MP. AI scene recognition is also there. And if you come to the video part, right, video is slightly a bit limited. In 4K resolution you can shoot only up to like 30 FPS. If you want 60 FPS, you'll have to drop down to 1080p, and there is no optical image stabilization, only EIS support is available. Apart from that, other general camera options are there, like portrait mode is available, slow motion mode is also there, and a couple of other stuff. Just make sure to have a look. I did shoot a couple of pictures and I'll definitely show you some samples also. Camera quality, initial impressions does look pretty nice. I mean, it's not as good as premium Samsung phones or iPhones, but okay, at this price point you cannot complain much. I'd say pretty decent results it was producing. Just have a look at these samples, you'll get an idea. Well, that's it. Time to wrap it up. Our video on Lava's all new Blaze Curve 5G. It is definitely a good phone, guys, especially if you talk about the design language, right? Beautiful looking phone. You're getting a premium 3D curved glass back, that too with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. And on the front also, you're getting a large 6.67 inches curved AMOLED display with a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, right? Plus decent performance. You're getting Dimensity 7050. Triple camera setup is also there. So on the overall now for this price point, I believe it's like a really good package, guys. Anyhow, I'll be testing this phone in the next couple of days, and after that only I'll be able to share my dedicated review video talking about the gaming performance, day-to-day performance, camera quality, and in that video itself we'll be talking about the battery life. Apart from these, if you have any other questions, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to cover that as well. And lastly, coming to the pricing details, as I've told you, base variant 128GB variant of the Blaze Curve 5G is going to be priced around like 17,999 rupees, and the higher end 256GB variant I believe costs around 18,999. I'll leave links for them in the description box below. You can check it out there. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.